Understanding collision risk, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, collision risk. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially when discussing safety and transportation. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Collision refers to the act of two objects coming together suddenly and forcefully. It often implies an accident or an unintended meeting of two or more objects. For example, when two cars hit each other, we call it a car collision. Risk, on the other hand, refers to the possibility of something bad happening. It's a term used to describe the potential for loss, damage, or any other undesirable event. When we combine these two words to form collision risk, we are talking about the likelihood or possibility of a collision occurring. It's a phrase commonly used in contexts where safety is a concern, like driving, flying, or operating machinery. Let's look at some examples of how collision risk can be used in sentences. 1. The foggy weather increases the collision risk for drivers. Here, the phrase is used to describe how bad weather can make driving more dangerous. 2. Air traffic controllers work hard to minimize collision risk among aircraft. This sentence shows the phrase in the context of air safety. 3. Wearing helmets while biking reduces the collision risk. In this example, the phrase is used to talk about safety measures. It's important to understand that collision risk can be used in various contexts, not just physical collisions. For example, financial collision risk. This might refer to the risk of financial systems or markets impacting each other negatively. Data collision risk. In technology, this can refer to the risk of data packets colliding or interfering in a network. Understanding the context is key to using the phrase correctly. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, collision risk, confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is a language rich with phrases that can be applied in numerous contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.